Hi guys, welcome to my channel Zedigo World TV. In today's video we'll be looking at how to set your withdrawal option to ByBit on Hamster Kombat. To get started, open your Hamster Kombat account on Telegram and click on airdrop located on your lower right. You'll see a list of different exchanges. So you have Binance, you have ByBit, you have OKX Exchange, Telegram, and all of that. So click on ByBit. If you don't have a ByBit account, click on No, let's create it, and then you can register by using the code there. But if you have a ByBit account, you can click on Yes, I have it, and it takes you to this page where you have to input your ByBit UID, hamster coin, deposit address, and memo. Now to get this information, you have to switch to your ByBit account. So move to your ByBit account where you're already logged in. Click on your portrait icon on the top left. And at the top there, you'll see where you have the UID just beneath your email address. Click on it to copy, and then you move back to your Hamster Kombat page. Paste the UID there. The next one is the hamster deposit address. Of course, you have to go back to your ByBit account, and then you click on the asset tab at the lower right. It takes you to this page. You click on deposit and scroll down to deposit crypto. Click on that, and now you're here. So you can find the Hamster Kombat crypto in two ways. You either scroll down all the way to where you have hamster, which is the H part of the list, and you can see hamster there. Or quicker way is to just do a search by typing in hamster, which is the HMSTR, and while you're typing it, it'll just pop up. Now you click on the crypto, the hamster crypto, and it loads and brings you here. You click on turn, and you see a very important notice here. It says, to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the hamster deposit address and the hamster deposit memo/tag when making a deposit. Failure to do so may result in loss of funds, and I'm sure you don't want to lose your funds. So make sure you use both the wallet address and the memo or tag, and make sure you fill it in correct. So having read that properly, you click on OK and click on the wallet address to copy it. When you do that, you move to your hamster account and paste it there. Now for the memo, you go back to your ByBit account, click on the memo there, copy it. When it's copied successfully, you move to your hamster account and paste it there. The next thing to do is click on save and choose. Once that is done, you'll see this page that says well done, stay tuned with updates, thanks. And that's it. Your request to ByBit has been sent. Now you go back to just look at what's happening there, and you'll notice that when you scroll down, what you see there now is a green tick, and I'm sure when the request has been approved, it will be completed. And so that's how to set up your withdrawal option to ByBit on Hamster Kombat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, which is also a like, and comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and also remember to hit the notification bell so that you can get notifications when I upload new videos. See you in my next video. Bye.